So we need to first create the business place. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, withholding taxes, extended withholding taxes, basic settings, India, define business place. So this has to be created when we do the GST, right? For our other company code, we have created GST, right? TA00. So this is the new server. Otherwise, we would have created business place for FTA00. A define section code also. Enter, enter, TA00. Section code. Select your business place. Enter, give IN, save. No, repost, just check if it is fetching here. Yeah. TA00, TA00, enter. Just give your purchase order here, okay? 4, 5, all zeros, 1. Enter. The moment you give, it will fetch all the records automatically. So there is a balance of 3000. You need to give the 3000 here. So after giving this also, we have certain messages. It is in red color. Check here. So it says error in account determination. So this is related to tax error. Okay. TA00JIC. Place of supply is also not determined. So we'll do one thing. Go to OB40. OB40. Okay, somebody is using this. We'll see first. Dummy GST have we created or not? No, we have not created any dummy GST. We'll quickly create one GL account. To all zeros. $99. I am creating one dummy GST account. Okay. Only balance in local currency. Sort key 001. YB0. Save this. Now assign this GL account in OB40. OB40 for JIC. JIS. V0. Save this. Back. JII. So for all, we have to assign this dummy GST. JIC also. Now again, try to post ME21 MI or Myro. Give reference, business place, TA00, TA00, calculate tax. Here you select purchase order, enter, give 3000 here. So now again you have a red message, we'll see. It says place of supply is not determined. Okay. Now scroll down, just select TG, Telangana. Now the red message gone here. Now click on simulate. See, GRR account is debit, vendor account is credit. Click on post. So Miro document also got posted. And go to display, follow on document. So your GRR account is getting debited here and vendor account is created. So minus sign is for credit amount. This is Miro. Then we have two more business process. Good issue to the production department. Consumption account debit. Stock of raw material credit. So this consumption account we need to assign to GBB VBR. First we'll see if we have created any consumption GL account or not. FS00. Raw material consumption is there. Okay. This will assign in GBB VBR. Go to OBYC. Select GBB. Yeah, we have already assigned. Consumption GL account also we have assigned. Now we'll post. MIGO. Good issue. For issuing goods also, MIGO is the transaction code. Good issue. So you are issuing goods against, not against purchase order. Okay. Others. Select others. When you are selecting others, 521 is the moment type. 521 is the moment type. Here you give the material what you want to issue. TA. What is the material? TA00 RMX1. Enter. Quantity, how much you want to issue? 10. 10 quantity you are issuing. Where? Plant TA H0. Storage location also TA H0. Go to account assignment. Okay, nothing is there. Now check account determination X100 ZOF. Good issue to the purchase order. Okay. No, this is the wrong moment type I have selected. I should have selected 201 moment type. When you are issuing the goods to the purchase order, it should be, sorry, go to MIGO. Good issue against others. 21, yeah. I am issuing goods to the cost center. Okay. Select material here. 10 quantity. Where? Plant TH0. Storage location also TH0. Account assignment is So here you need to select the cost center. You are issuing the goods to the cost center. Enter, check, post. When you issue the goods, consumption account is getting debit, display, execute, document info, accounting document. Consumption account debit, stock of raw material credit. This is the entry. So one more scenario is left. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay?